Welcome to Chart Forecaster. If you're surprised by NVIDIA's dump at the open this morning, guys, you need to be following this channel because no one has the alpha like I do. And really, that's part of using chartforecaster.com. We predicted that this was going to be a major reversal date weeks ago. We've been talking about this date on this channel for the last 2 weeks, down to the date and time. In fact, here's my latest video that I just did on NVIDIA. I recorded this 3 days ago, uploaded it 2 days ago. Let's just check this out. But right now there is a little baby harmonic that is on the books, and Chart Forecaster is also saying that there could be a market low or high or a reversal that happens right here. And it's going to happen technically on Sunday, but the markets are closed Sunday and Monday. So NVIDIA is going to be one to watch at the open to see if this thing does dump. And if it does dump, I'm expecting this thing to go down to 180-ish, somewhere in that neighborhood. Now, you guys can see that we are now at that $180-ish level. We did see a dip to about 179.65, but with the execution of this harmonic pattern, I do think that we possibly could see the price rebound up to about 187 all the way up to 197. In fact, I think that there's even more room to go a little bit higher, but this is the range I'm going to be kind of looking for the price kind of like going forward. Now, there are several more points in time that Chart Forecaster is predicting. Again, January 22nd, 1600. I've been telling you guys that date for the last week. We need to watch for the momentum building on that date. And that is at 1506 hours UTC time. So January 22nd at 1500 hours. That is going to put us right about here. We'll just draw a little trend line. Boom. And that is going to be the start of momentum building. So what kind of price action are we going to see until then? Well, I'm not too sure just yet because we just saw the price dump, and it dumped hard. So we're also looking for peak momentum area and volatility coming up as well. So January 26th at 5 a.m. on the 26th, this is going to be an area of volatility. So at the open, presumably, would be my guess. Oh, okay, so we'll just go 9 a.m. here. So my guess is at the open here, whatever that is, we're going to see a little bit of volatility. And then, of course, January 29th is going to be peak momentum. So there's going to be a couple interesting points in time here that I'm going to be watching. And really, after this January 26th timeline and after this January 22nd is where I'm going to be paying like close attention to. So January 29th, peak momentum at 1322. So we'll just go 1300 hours on that. So we're going to be watching for maybe a good opportunity to enter a trade. If we know that the markets are going a certain direction leading up to this Thursday date, we might be able to know that we're going to be entering the area of peak momentum to sell our positions, whether they're short or long, on that Thursday around 1300. So right now I'm speculating that we're going to see NVIDIA maybe bounce here a little bit. Price action is a little bit too far from the Ichimoku cloud, but they do have a serious problem right now, and that is China is basically stopping shipments for some of their chips and things like that. There's some really weird stuff happening there, but I do think that they will get it figured out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.